Well, good morning, everybody. You're really very welcome to the first closing event of our first ever Digital Skills Festival at Queen's, run and hosted by us here in the Faculty of Arts, Humanities and Social Sciences. And part of our lovely job is to think about the skills that students get through studying at university. And that's what we've been trying to do through the Digital Skills Festival, to kind of provide a new space where students can find out about developments in the digital and the tech world, find ways to upskill and to equip yourselves for whatever might come next after university.
The Digital Skills Festival gives us an opportunity to network new people and just to see what's happening around Queen's, to get new ideas to implement into my own teaching practice. And I was really pleased by the standard and the range of events that were held over the 3 weeks. So it's been a really wonderful few weeks.
In the first session, I'm delighted to say we've got Jackie Yolmes from Think People. Jackie's going to take us through a workshop session about networking.
The social part of the skills we were taught, how we are going to communicate, with our colleagues, have networking system between I and my colleagues. I get to know a lot of people through these skills. We meet, we chat, and we get to know each other and to see how we can communicate in our research.
And we've got some industry experts joining us to think about the world of work, the way we might see digital skills developing over the course of the next few years, where some of the challenges are. And we also try and make it practical as well. And delighted to have our colleagues here who are going to share some tips and some insights into how you might continue.
Students have an opportunity to forge new friendships and make their own kind of new digital connections.